In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to back up Bitwarden efficiently and securely. Backing up your Bitwarden vault ensures that all your essential passwords and sensitive information are kept safe and retrievable should anything unexpected happen. Let's dive into the process, which is not only straightforward, but also vital for your digital security. First, you'll want to start by visiting the Bitwarden website. If you haven't already, head over to your preferred web browser and type in Bitwarden to find their official website. Bitwarden is well regarded for its robust security measures, making it one of the best password managers for personal, business, and enterprise use. Once you're on the Bitwarden homepage, look for the Login option. It's typically located in the top right corner of the web page. Click on this option to proceed. You'll need to enter your user credentials, which include your email and your master password. This ensures that only you can access your vault and its contents, so make sure you enter the correct information to gain access. After logging in, you'll be directed to your Bitwarden vault. This is the central hub where all your passwords and sensitive information are stored. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout if you're new to it. It's designed to be user-friendly, so everything should be clear and easy to navigate. Now that you're in your vault, direct your attention to the left side of the screen where you'll see a menu. Within this menu, find the option labeled Tools. Clicking on Tools will present you with a variety of options that allow you to manage your vault more effectively. From the list that appears under Tools, select the option to Export Vault. This is the critical step where you'll get to back up your data. Exporting your vault will create a copy of all your data in a format that you can save securely elsewhere. It's important to note that when you perform an export, the data is sensitive and hence should be handled with care. Always ensure you save this file in a secure location where unauthorized users cannot access it. When prompted, you'll have the choice to select the format for your export. Typically, Bitwarden provides options like CSV or JSON. Choose the one that best fits your needs, keeping in mind the compatibility with other services or software where you might import this data in the future. Finally, initiate the export and download the file to your chosen secure location. Remember, do not leave this file unprotected, as it contains your valuable data. Consider encrypting the export file or storing it on a secure, offline medium. By following these steps, you've successfully backed up your Bitwarden vault. It's an essential routine to ensure your digital assets and personal information remain safe against unforeseen mishaps. Remember to keep your backup updated alongside any changes in your vault. Thanks for watching, and be sure to join us next time for more useful tutorials.